Hi students, now we going to discuss about chapter 7 fractions. For that, that exercise, we are going to learn exercise 7.2. Fourth question, find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Equivalent fraction find out. A question. Denominator is 20. Find out the equivalent fraction for 3 by 8. The denominator is given as 20. How to solve this one? Here our original fraction 3 by 5 is the that is equal to denominator part is given. How much? 20. Numerator part we don't know. We want to find out the numerator equivalent fraction we want to find out. How to find means first of all cross multiply and box value we find. Then we can say that box value and by denominator comes as the equivalent fraction for a 3 by 5. So cross multiply and 5 into box is equal to right side 3 into 20. Box value find out. Here 5 table right and left cancellation possible. So left side 5 table 5 1 time 5 table 24 times. So 1 into box means box only. 3 fours are how much? 12. That's why we can say how to write the equivalent fraction. 3 by 5 equal numerator box value we get it as 12 by 20. That is the mean. That means 12 by 20 cancelling time again we get which fraction? 3 by 4. See which table? 4 table use and cancel. 3 into 4 comes to be 12. 3 into 5 comes to be 12. That's why the 12 by 20 cancelling time at 3 by 5. So we can say 3 by 5 equivalent fraction become 12 by 50. 20 is the equivalent fraction. Then B question. Numerator is given. Same fraction, equivalent fraction, find out for a numerator value is given as 27. How to find out? Same way, our equivalent, we want equivalent fraction for 3 by 5, that is equal to numerator part value is 27, denominator not given. Find out the denominator value. How to find out? Keep unknown place, we put a box. Then cross multiply box into 3 and 5 into 27. 3 into box is equal to 27 is multiplied with the left side denominator. Left side denominator is 5. Then checking it right and left cancellation possible means cancel 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 27 9 times. Then next 1 into box become box only. 9 into 4 5 comes to be how much? 45 is the box value. That's why we can clearly write it as a equivalent fraction for 3 by 5 is 27 by box place which value we substitute 45, meaning 27 and 45 cancelled with them. Cancelled with which number? 9 we get 3 by 5. 9 table 27 3 times. 9 table 45 5 times. That's why equivalent fraction for 3 by 5 become 27 by 5 is the equivalent fraction. I hope you can understand this model question. The next one is fifth Roman. Fifth Roman that find the equivalent same model question. Another number. This one 3 by 5 case. Next was the same model, only another number they asking. 36 by 48 case. Find out the equivalent fraction for 36 by 48 case. Next question we can write it as a fifth question. Find the equivalent fraction for fraction of 36 by 48. 36 by 48. Then with the numerator value given as 9. Numerator value given as 9. Same process only. First 36 by 48 to take. Then next numerator value given as how much 9. So numerator place 9 substitute. This division line above part represent as a numerator, below part represent as a denominator. Here denominator value not given there. We want to find the denominator. How to find out the denominator value? Cross multiply. Then cross multiply time 36 is multiplied with the box and 9 is multiplied with 48. Then cancellation possible means cancel 9 and 36 cancellation possible 9 table 9 one time 9 table 36 4 time. Again checking 4 and 48 cancel. Yes, 4 table 4 one time 4 table 48 24 time. So 1 into box become box 1 into 24 become box value become how much 24 is the answer. So we can write it as 36 by 48 equivalent fraction is 9 by a box place we can insert as a 24 24 is the equal. That means 36 by 48 is equivalent fraction for the 9 by a 24 is the meaning of this question. I hope you get sorry 24 not 14 4 table 12 times 4 table 4 1 time 4 table 8 2 4 sorry here 4 use I cancelling 4 table for 1 time here 4 table I directly cancel with 2 sorry that here 4 table for 1 time 4 table to a 12 time. So here answer become how much 1 by 12 is the 9 by 12 is the answer. I hope you can understand. B question denominator is 4 denominator become 4. So say 4 is given there, equivalent fraction, find out equivalent fraction for 36 by a. So the same process 36 by 48 equal, denominator part given as 4 and numerator part is unknown. There we keep a box. Then cross multiply 48 is cross multiply with the box, 4 is cross multiply with 36. So we get a 48 into box part right left side, that is easy for calculation also, and 36 is multiplied with the right side denominator 4. Box value how to find here? Once we check cancellation possible. Yes, 4 table for 1 time 4 table 48 how many times 12 time. Again 12 and 36 right and left cancellation possible. 12 table directly 12 table 12 1 time 12 3s are 36. So 1 into box become box, then 3 into 1 become, so box value become how much 3. So we therefore our original 36 by 48 is the equivalent fraction for numerator value box place box value 3 and the denominator already gave us 4. In this way we can cancel and writing. That is the meaning of this fifth Roman. Fifth and fourth same model questions only. Then next we go through check whether the given fraction are equivalent fraction or not. Checking type question. Checking type question, given fraction is equivalent or not. Checking type question. How to find out that? Here for that first sixth question is checking type question that. So next sixth question, check whether the fraction, check whether the given fraction are equivalent, fractions are equivalent. We want to check it equivalent. First question, A question 5 by 9 and 30 by 34. In this way they given. So we want to check it. Is it checking time? They are equivalent or not? In this way, question coming to how to do means same process. That means just cross multiplication process doing equal right side and equal left side answer both are same means we can say it is an equivalent fraction. This 34 cross multiply with the numerator 5 and 9 is cross multiply with the right side numerator 30. So 5 is multiplied with 34 equal Then 30 is multiplied with the left side denominator 9. Multiply 34 into 5. 5 into 4 comes to be 22. Then 50. Here 5 fours are 15. 15 plus 2 comes to be 70. 70. 170 is the answer. Then here also checking 30 into 9 become how much? So 170. Then here 30 into 9 comes to be how much? 270 is getting the. That's why what we can say is both are equal or not. No, therefore we can say it is not an equivalent fraction. It is not an equivalent fraction. Both answer are different answer only. That's why we can say it is not an equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Like this way we can write and stop. Then next question. Next question, B question. Another one is 7 by 13 and 5 by 11. Same model question. We want to check it. Is it both are equivalent or not? How to checking it? They are cross multiplied. First one is 7 is cross multiplied with the second fraction denominator, and second fraction numerator is cross multiplied with the first fraction denominator. 7 into 11 comes to be how much? 77. Then what about 15 into 13 comes to be 65. Is it both are equal? No. Therefore, we can say it is not an equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. This question also not an equivalent fraction. Checking. So remember checking how to check it. Just cross multiplication. Second fraction denominator cross multiplied with the first fraction numerator, and so first fraction denominator cross multiplied with the second fraction numerator. Like that way cross multiplication doing both left and right side same answer coming means we can say it is an equivalent fraction. In these two question it is not an equivalent fraction. That's why we can write it as it is not an equivalent fraction. I hope you can understand how to do this question. The next one is 7th Roman. 7th Roman, reduce the following fraction. Reduce the following fraction. Reducing, reduction doing. How to reduce the given fraction. How to different way we can solve. Which here now I am going to tell about. First we find out the factors of the given number. Then afterwards common factors find out. Common factor getting after highest factor find out. You have which is the highest factor. Using that highest factor. Given fraction and numerator and denominator dividing time we can do as in the simplest form. See here 7th question. Reduce the following. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. How to reduce simplest form. A question 48 by 6 in this way. Question we want to cancel. Any method you can follow the direct cancellation or otherwise factors finding. Then common factor find. Common factor after HCF find. Which number comes as the HCF. Using that HCF number divide and cancel. Any method you can follow them. So here first I introduced in this way factors finding method. What are the factors of 48? 1 table 48 is there. 48 table 48 is there. 2 table when it is 42 into 24 become 48. Then 3 table is it possible? Yes, 3 table how many times? 16. Then 3 into 16 become 40. That's why 16 into 3 become 48. 4 table, yes, 4 table 4 into 12 become 48. That's why reverse also. 12 table also possible. That's why we write 12 also. Next 5 table not possible. 6 table, yes, 6 into 8 to become 40. Reverse also. 8 table also. That's why 8 also we want to write. 9 table not possible, 10 table not. These are the factors of the 40. The same way factors of 60 find out. 1 table 60 is the same way 60 table 60 is the 2 table 60 is the when it is 30. That's why 30 table also right. Then next 3 table, yes, 3 into 20 become 60. That's why 20 table also right. Then 4 table 60 if possible, 4 table when we get 60 c 4 table when it is 4 table 60 not there, 1 time 4 20 means 15 times. So 4 into 15 become 60, reverse also 15 table, 15 fours are how much? 20. Then 5 table is it possible as 5 into 12 become 60, same as 12 table also right. 6 table, yeah, 6 into 10 comes to be 60, that's why 10 table also right. 7 table not possible, 8 table not possible, 9 table not possible, 10 table already we returned that. Then CF, common factor. CF full form is common. Which are the common factor? 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, then 6 is a common factor. These are 6 is a common factor. Then again any other are there? Yes, 12 is a common factor, 12 also a common factor. That's why that numbers we can write. What are the common factors? 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor, 6 is the common factor, and 12 is the common factor. In this common factor, which is the highest common factor? 12 is the high HCF of this factor is 12 is the high HCF. Full form is the highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? 12 is the highest. Using that highest common factor, our fraction were dividing. That means numerator and denominator divided with the highest common factor 12. 12 table 48 when it is a 4 times 12 into 4 become a 40. That's why 12 table when we can able to cancel a 4 times. 12 table when we get to 60 a 5 times. Again, is it possible to cancel? Not possible. That's why our simplest form of 48 by 60 because how much 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 48 by 65. 48 by 60 simplest form become a 4 by 5. In this way, the finding this reducing the following fraction of a simplest form method. I hope you can understand. One more question, then you can easy to understand that. First common, first factors right, then common factor right, then highest common factor right, then which number comes as a highest common factor, that number use and a given fraction dividing time we get the simplest form of the that given fraction. So one more question, B question. 12 by 52, another question, 12 by 52. How to solve it? Here also factors of 12. 1 table 12 is that, 12 table also, 2 table 12 is that when it is 6, so 6 table also right. 3 table 12 is that when it is 3 4s are 12, that's why 4 table also directly we write. The 5 table not possible, 6 table already completed, 7 table not possible, 8 table not possible, 9 table not possible, 10 table also not possible. Up to 10 table we want to checking. 52 case, 52 also 1 table 52 is there, 52 table 52 is there, 2 table also there when it is 26 times. So that's why 26 table also directly right. Is it possible to divide it with 3 52 not possible, 51 means possible, 52 not possible to divide it with 3, leave it. Next 4 table, is it possible? Yes, 4 table possible. 4 table 52 means how many times it coming in? 13 times, 13 4s are 52, so 13 table also right. 5 table not possible, 6 table not possible, 6 nines are 54 only coming in. 7 table not possible, 8 table not possible, 9 table not possible, 10 table. These are the factors for the 52. Then common factor, CF, common factor, how to find out both the number place which are common there. Here 1 is there, in both the number cases 2 is there, then both the number cases 4 also there. That's why what are the factors? 1, 2, 4 are the factors of the given numbers. Then check it which is the highest common, HCF. HCF means highest common. Which number comes as highest common factor? denominator 4 comes as highest common factor. That's why our given fraction 12 by 52, numerator and denominator divided with which number 4. Then cancel 4 table 12. Division means cancellation. 4 table 12 by 3 times. 4 table 52, how many times it coming there? 13 times. So again 3 and 13 cancellation not possible. This is the simplest form for finding the given fraction. I hope you can understand this one. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.